Hey, what's going on, you all? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at Investing with All I See is W. Well, today my goal is to provide to you some hot picks heading into the new week before the holiday season, right? With Christmas and then the new year. So 2020 is coming to an end very soon. However, let's end with a big bang because I'll be sharing with you some tickers that I feel can add significant value to your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that all the information I'll be sharing with you, please consider this information as guidance, and anytime when you do invest, always make sure to do your own investment research. Let's get started. Now, ticker number one I wanted to share with you is Emerald Bioscience, EMBI. This company is beginning to gain so much traction where it's gaining trust and respect from shareholders. And I do foresee that this company will reach its 52-week high coming very soon, possibly Q1 of 2021 up through the whole year 2021, where we can potentially see a whole dollar value. And can you believe how much positive proceeds you'll be gaining with that'll be like more than 50-fold increase. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is quantum computing, QUBT. This company is working on just advancing, getting data up to the cloud. Now, we know that Congress had provided $10 billion just to support the sector for artificial intelligence and quantum computing. We know things are becoming more paperless, so this whole operation initiative is to advance how we do things with computer systems. Things will start being uploaded up into the cloud. And for me, I feel like this is sort of a disruptive sector similar to Bitcoin, right? Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is BTC with Bitcoin. We know that the current share price for Bitcoin is around 23,000. I do foresee that 50,000 is coming very soon, possibly Q1 of 2021, because I do envision that Bitcoin will reach 500,000 within this new decade in the 2020 series. Now, next up I wanted to share with you is Regal Pharmaceuticals, RIGL. Now, this ticker has been exploding at the low $2. It has a very low risk profile, and it's working on a COVID-19 drug for hospitalized patients. It's actually in phase 2 clinical trials, but last week it hovered up close to like 15 to 20%, and I feel like it can definitely hover up to the $5 share price range. So let's not ignore what Regal Pharmaceuticals can do for you. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is a company that ARK Investment has about 20% invested in this company, and that is Organovo. I was investing in this company since like 2015, and I still believe in this company. On Friday, I actually put more in, and I was able to gain on the rush to like 30% gain, and in the aftermarket, it went up another 7%. This company is working on like disruptive technology where it's creating artificial livers. So instead of doing clinical trials where you test your drug to evaluate toxicity on real life human livers, well, you can do this with an artificial liver now outside of a human being. So that's why I'm very big on Organovo, and I feel like the share price can get up to like $16. 2 weeks ago it was around the $7 range. Now it's hovering up into the double-digit share price range. So as you can see, it's growing so much. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Inovio Pharmaceuticals. So I do feel like come this upcoming week up through Q1 of 2021, we shall hear the peer review release data, and that will likely bull run the share price upward, because what we know is that in the UK there's news about mutated strains. I mean, if you want to look at evidence, go to nextstrain.org to look at all of the different phylogenies of the virus, and you'll see so many different variations. But that alone just tells you that INO 4800, the DNA plasmid, is needed in this world, right? And we anticipate scaling up the manufacturing process all around the world, in Japan, Europe, United States, if and when the INO 4800 receives emergency use authorization and or approval through the phase 3 clinical trials. Now, what we know is that it's also partnering up with AstraZeneca with support from DoD and DARPA to create monoclonal antibodies. So with the two companies' proprietary DMAb technology with Inovio Pharmaceuticals and the expertise from AstraZeneca, there will be some newly developed drugs that will come out and will be evaluated through preclinical trials. So can you imagine if and when Organovo has the approved artificial livers? Well, you can start doing your drug testing preclinical trials there, but right now it's in preclinical trials where you can potentially test on animals instead. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is iBio. Now, I firmly believe that iBio can definitely make a big run back to its prior resistance. And what I mean is like the $7 range, right? Well, most people think, oh, it'll never reach the $7, but to me, just with the heightened news with COVID-19 and the fact that we know that iBio will be releasing IND news this month, possibly on the iBio 201 on the Licum series or the iBio 200 series for the EVLP vaccine candidate, I feel like the share price can begin to hover up. And let's say if you're a new investor or you're an existing investor, dollar cost averaging down is key at this time. And let's say if you're afraid that it will continue to drop, well, set your stop limits. Let's say if you see another 15% drop, then you'll do your sell. But let's say if you were to buy now, the odds are that it can definitely reverse trend up at least past the $1.50 very soon. So that's my takeaway with iBio. So overall, I hope that these tickers added value to your current thinking, and I feel like these tickers will begin bull running up. So let's not lose sight of what these companies I've just shared with you can do for you. So I hope that this video was valuable and that it gave you insight with stock news updates and potential pickers that you can add to your investment portfolio to win before the end of 2020 and also to capitalize more on 2021. Thank you so much for watching another episode here at Investing with All I See is W, and I hope you all have a wonderful Sunday and a week ahead where we gain on positive proceeds. Thank you all for watching another episode, and please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more related content. And please make sure that you share this information with your friends and family so that my channel can be more helpful to others, where it can add value, where my goal is to share information to you all so that we all can win together, right? I mean, the tickers that I'm sharing with you, these are tickers that I'm investing in, and that's why I wanted to share my insights with you, because I don't want to win myself. I want to share the winnings with all of you. That's why if you believe in me, we can all win together. So thank you, and let's all have a wonderful Sunday. Goodbye.